What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create receipt cards into our WordPress website. So imagine that you have a cooking or a restaurant website and would like to share some receipts for bloggers and some receipts that can rank on Google with rich snippets and all for free without coding in a simple, fast and effective method. Here is how to do it, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. Normally it's your domain.com plus WP admin or WP login. You're gonna be into a page almost like this one. Scroll down until you can see into the left sidebar of menus, the plugins field. Hover your mouse over this menu and click on add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of your screen. Right here, next to keyword, you're gonna be able to see a field called search plugins. Click on it and type WP Receipt Maker, just like this. And here is the guide that we are looking for, by Bootstrapped Ventures, okay? So click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing to worry right here. If everything goes right, you're gonna be able to see a new menu into the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Next to appearance, you're going to be able to see, or next to comments, you're going to be able to see the receipt maker. Click on it. You're going to be able to see this page right here. Welcome to WP Receipt Maker. These onboarding steps will get you up and running in no time by choosing the correct options for your situation and showing you how to get the most out of this plugin. Let's click on start the onboarding. First thing, what editor are you using? Classic editor, Gutenberg editor, Elementor, other page builder, WordPress.com editor. In my case, I'm gonna be using the Gutenberg, but if you are using a different editor, use the option that you have to select right here. And right here we have some guidance on how to use the plugin, okay? Now, move to next. We have some templates right here, okay? You can select some templates. We have the basic. Looks okay for me. Blend on. Chic. Classic. Compact. And there are some premium ones, but we're gonna keep things for free. So we're gonna use the classic one. Scroll it down. Use the above template. You can choose other templates in the future in the case that you want, okay? Now, jump to receipt, jump to video, or jump to print receipt. Do not enable snippets right now. Use above snippets template. This is up to you. I recommend that you always use the snippet, okay? You can get some help if you subscribe to their mailing. No needs for it. Now continue to manage page. Now we need to create one receipt. Click into this blue button and let's start. You can apply a receipt image. A receipt image, okay, an image that represents the receipt that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be creating. I'm gonna create a pizza receipt. So let's upload the image. The image is too big. Let me fix it by using the tiny PNG. I'm just gonna upload the bigger image right here, and this online tool gonna compress the image for me and do this for free. I will not cut the video so you can learn from it, okay? Because according to the client side that you are working on, you may have these limitations, okay? So it's always good to know. Image decreased. Let me open it and move it right here. Let's try to upload the image right now. Image goes well. Now select the image. We can upload some video or embed some video. For example, if you are using a YouTube video to share this receipt on YouTube, you can embed the video right here as well. It's always a good idea. Food receipt, how-to instructions, order, name, pizza, summary. I'm just gonna place content right here to not waste your time, okay? Author, don't show, use the full, don't show. Name of post author or custom author name. You can enter the author name, for example. We can apply a link. We can change the servings. Estimated cost. Custom time label, custom time, total time. We have some categories. For example, breakfast, dessert, drinks, salad. We have the cosines, and we have some keywords. Now we can edit the equipment or equipment affiliate fields, okay? We can add equipment just like the cooking dishes, okay? And some ingredients in the case that you want. For example, just like this. We can add more ingredients in the case that you need, and you can enter some notes. There are instructions right here that you can enter with instructions. There is some nutrition facts. There is options if you are premium to calculate the nutrition facts, but no needs. And you can enter some notes in the case that you want, okay? After this, all we have to do is save and close. We can edit receipt, we can print receipt or delete receipt. Now we have our first column right here. Now let's apply this into some post or some page. Go to WordPress left sidebar menus, hover mouse over page and click on add new page. Or go to a previously made page, okay? You are on your page into the WordPress editor. You can click into this plus button to add a new block and search for WPRM. And the element or block that we're looking for is this guy right here, the WPRM receipt. We can create a new receipt, we just already did it, or we can insert existing receipt. I'm gonna select our pizza receipt, click on insert, hit the option to publish or update the page, and here is the layout we have. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And of course, users can jump to receipt or print receipt. If you go back to the plugin settings, we can edit the template in the case that we want. For example, to this one. We can change the amount of pixels. Just like this. We can generate some shortcodes. There is some settings that we can play with as well. We can share some options like template editor, the default print template, the functionality, the receipt snippets. This is very important for SEO, but we can explore this in another video. We can import some settings, we can open reports, and you can go to dashboard and enable analytics. So we can have more analytical tools, just like this. So we can have more analytical tools about the persons who click on your receipts, who see your receipts, okay? It can help you in the future. If you go back to manage, you can create more receipts and display just like this. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to get widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with your sites.gallery, there is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire template library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of your dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!